Alright guys, this video is how to hack a kitchen safe timer when it's locked and you really have to get in it. So what I do, I remove the battery case on one side to help pry it open. And then also if you push this a little bit, you can kind of get a lip in here, and you got to stick the knife in between this lip. And once you do that, then you're going to get a little lip, stick the knife in, and pry. One side should come out. The same thing to the other side. This is the battery side. The same thing to this side. And it slides right off. And voila. You can get into it.